So what I've done here is I've added a 560 ohm resistor in series with a freewheeling diode, which is across the coil of the relay. So yellow is our voltage across the coil, and that's our contact. So there it's high and there it switches low. Now what's interesting here is that we see about minus 30 volts across the coil, and then we see current flow for quite a long time through the coil because of the inductance and the inductive energy that's stored in the coil. So it takes quite a while for the relay to demagnetize. In this case it's about 7 milliseconds before the relay drops out again because of the current flow through the coil, and because of the relay, the resistor that I've added in series with the diode, that current flows for quite a long time. So that's your inductive spike and what it looks like when you limit the current through a resistor. Very interesting. So there you have it, quick little update on having more fun with relays. So ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Take care. Alrighty, bye.